All right, back with another video. Saturday, January 30th. Let's start off with RIGL. RIGL. Rigel Pharmaceuticals. Bigger float, 168 million. Market cap, 588 million. Awarded 16.5 million from U.S. Department of Defense for phase 3 clinical trial for foscenib of COVID-19 patients. In COVID-19 patients. There you go. Biotech company deals with immune and disorders, cancer, rare diseases. Excuse me. So let's take a look at this. Yeah, this was back to 110. I don't see any splits on this. And this came back. It has fell 2013, came a channel between 2 and 4. And you see the daily in this, back and forth. It did really crash hard in March. But you see the low here, 125, 150, 175, 225, 250. Look at the low keep going. We had a big move July all the way up to 5, but it came back. Testing this 4 level is huge. If we can get over 4 and hold, this will go to 5 plus easy. Now, we have a trend line here, which is fine. If this falls back to 275-ish, that's not that bad. It's a normal trend line consolidation, so we'll see what happens there. Right now, these two little candles, these wicks, 334, 325-ish, you want to hold. If it comes in here, goes sideways and comes up too, that's also a good move. But watch for the 4 break on this. The trend lines are this huge, big move up from March. So we'll see if this continues on RIGL. All right, here's Amarin, AMRN. $378 million float, bigger float, 2.84 billion market cap. Receives positive CHMP opinion for its icosapent ethyl for cardiovascular risk reduction. Commercializes therapeutics for cardiovascular disease, United States. Let's look at this here. Monthly, this wasn't that high, 1400. Had a split down here, so this dropped off. You can see the weekly, big round, then came down and went up. 2008, 2009, broke 2011, was down for 14 to 2018 before this broke. So, this moved up from October 2018, big move up to 23, and then crashed 2019. Then we went up again, a V recovery. It touched once, 2, 3, 4, like 5 big clusters here. See this? This dropped before March. This was going down. 23. This went all the way to 4. You have a gap. This went up to the 8 level. And then this went back sideways. It did touch 636. Then we went up to 8. Then look at this little cross here. Look at this move here down. You thought maybe this might be it here. But it wasn't. Another cross. You might have get in there. Nope. Hanging cross at the bottom of a pattern. Right here at that, was that 350 level right down here? 336. Look at that move. That is an awesome buy. You can get this down here because the bottom cross on a pattern, you can be red, green, is a total reversal pattern. That is a classic reversal on a stock that's moved from here to here. Look at this. Hanging cross. Someone get in here. Smart money at the low. 336. And then this goes to 550. Yeah, that's incredible intelligence. It depends how people trade. If you're watching the stock, or you might watch them patterns, or looking for stocks oversold. That's another thing to do. Then this came back, and then this took off from 4 to near 8. So this is far away from its 13 EMA right now. So this could pull back to about 625. Doesn't mean it's over the pattern. If it does, we bounce up. That would be solid. If this can break 8, you have a gap right here, right to, it looks like 13. So you have 1 touch here, 2, 3 in this. So I'm liking this here on AMRN. Big gap here. Once, came back. Here's your ultimate bottom. It's almost like a reverse head and shoulders, sort of. And then we came up. So watch for this 8 break. If we break the 8, if this gets real good news, this could easily go into this like 9 to 13 zone on AMRN. All right, back to CIDN. I think I've done this one before. 89 million float, 165 million market cap, communication services. The film Detective celebrates Black History Month. There's this news here. Team Whistle as executive agency of record for direct ad sales, whatever that means. They're an independent movie, television, short film, United States, Canada, New Zealand. This is sort of a bigger float, but I'm surprised this hasn't been pumped. It's sort of filmed. They were in AMC. Maybe this will get some looks. I'm not sure. That would be interesting. The monthly, this was up to 140, came all the way down. You had a split. And then this came back and forth. 2009 to this 30 level, and really fell hard. If you look all the way in the daily, you have the split here back in 2016. This two line's huge. See this two line? Many times it tried and failed. 2019, this really went hard to 50 cents, and then went up to 2. And then January, from there, from June, this thing from 2020 just went down. This went to a low as like 25 cents. Another stock. Imagine you bought this. Let's see what was the low here. This candle, 25. This candle, 28. This candle, 26. 25 cents. In the next few months, you're like, I'll hold on to it for a little bit. And then it goes to like $6. All right, let's see, 1,000 shares divided by 25, 4,000 shares. You get a 6 times 575. You made 23,000 in, we'll say, April, May, June. We'll say about 3 months. 3 months, 23,000 from being patient. Intelligence, using technical analysis, and there you go. Now you don't know it's really going to do this. But when you buy at a low, just look at the chart. It did it 2019 bounce. This one below that, it's not going out of business. And then explodes, come here, and a big gap up on massive volume. They came back down again. See, it does this? Every chart has its own pattern. This puts in big moves, the line. And this came back September, October. And again, what was the low on this here? You had like 45 cents. Came to $1, 60. See the low getting higher. Came up to 160. Then we came back. 13, 20 EMAs right here. About this one level. 1 to 120. 1 to 120 you want to hold on the bounce. You want this, if it comes back, that one level's big. You want that to hold and then bounce. So you look for support there. And the 2 level again. You want this to break 150, blow by 2, and maybe get to 250, and maybe in this zone somehow if it really gets going. So this has potential for big moves. Now again, if you bought at the low, maybe one of these lows like 50 cents, that's pretty big. You can see the stochastics and all the lows here. Here's a good buy. So, this is looking like good potential too for big spikes though. Make some moves from line to line, and we'll see if we're in the middle here. We're going to go back down, then bounce, or bounce up from 2. So we'll see what they do with this one on CIDN. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades. Hit the like button, smash the like button. TradeIdeas.com referral, my link. Twitter, MikeFrank007. TikTok, MikeFrankII. Instagram, MikeFrank98. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Trades. Check it out. Till the next video. We're out for now. Peace.